Are you a gaming enthusiast who always dreamed of making a living from playing video games? Well, guess what? You're in for a treat because today we'll reveal the top 5 ways to monetize your gaming skills and passion. As we dive in, you can help us win the YouTube game by hitting subscribe to unlock the next video. First up, we have game streaming. Imagine playing your favorite games live on Twitch, Kick, or YouTube while viewers donate or subscribe to your channel. Sounds exciting. With consistent effort and a bit of luck, game streaming can turn into a full-time income. However, game streaming is a challenging and competitive field that requires hard work, dedication, and creativity. To stand out, you must be an entertaining and engaging host who interacts with your audience, shares tips and insights, and builds a loyal following. But wait, there's more. Game streaming lets you connect with people worldwide who share your gaming passion. You can collaborate with other streamers, participate in tournaments, and attend events to grow your brand and expand your audience. Ready for the next one? Content creation is another fantastic way to monetize your gaming skills and creativity. Whether you love creating video content like walkthroughs or reviews, or prefer writing blogs and articles about your favorite games, you can earn income through advertising or sponsorships. By sharing your gaming knowledge and experience with others, you can build a loyal following and create a successful career in gaming. Another way to monetize your gaming passion is by creating fan art or merchandise related to popular games. You can then sell your creations on online marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble. By doing this, you can combine your passion for gaming with your artistic skills and earn some cash. You can also participate in esports tournaments. If you're a skilled gamer with a competitive edge, these online tournaments offer cash prizes to the winners. So, if you're confident in your gaming abilities, why not give it a shot? Who knows, you could be the next big esports champion. Esports or competitive video gaming has grown into a multi-billion-dollar industry over the past few years. With millions of players and fans worldwide, it's no surprise that many companies have emerged to help players succeed in esports. For instance, Gamer Sensei offers personalized online coaching for players of all skill levels. With expert coaches available for popular games like League of Legends, Overwatch, and Fortnite, Gamer Sensei can help you improve your skills and climb the competitive ladder. Matcherino is another company that is making waves in the esports world. It's a platform for organizing and funding tournaments with custom rules, entry fees, and prize pools. So whether you're looking to improve your skills, organize your tournaments, or build a following as a streamer, Matcherino has got you covered. And speaking of streaming, platforms like Twitch and YouTube provide an excellent opportunity for players to showcase their skills and build a fan base. With millions of viewers tuning in to watch professional players and streamers alike, these platforms can be valuable for building a following and getting noticed in the esports community. So, if you got the skills and the drive, why not take a shot at making a name for yourself in the world of esports? Who knows, you could be the next big thing. Becoming a game tester is one of the most exciting ways to earn money as a gamer. As a game tester, you'll get paid to play games before they're released to the public. Not only is this an excellent opportunity to play the latest games, but you'll also be responsible for identifying bugs and glitches so they can be fixed before release. It's like solving a puzzle, but the reward is much better. However, being a game tester is not all fun and games. You'll need to have a critical eye for detail and be able to document any issues you encounter while playing. You may also be required to play the same portion of a game multiple times to ensure that all problems have been resolved. And that's not all. Practical communication skills are a must-have. You'll need to clearly explain the issues you found and provide suggestions or how to fix them. You may also be required to work long hours and face tight deadlines, primarily as a game's release date draws near. But don't let that discourage you. Game testing can be a fulfilling career for those passionate about video games. It's also an excellent way to get a foot in the door of the video game industry and lead to other opportunities like game design or quality assurance. If being a game tester is not for you, don't worry. Another way to make money from video games is to sell virtual items. Many games have in-game items that players can buy with real money. And if you're good at the game, you can earn and sell these items for a profit. It's like having your virtual store. Selling virtual items has become a popular way for gamers to earn money. These virtual items range from weapons, skins, characters, and accessories, and players can acquire them by playing the game and achieving certain milestones. Once they have collected many virtual items, they can sell them to other players for real money. How cool is that? Fortnite is a perfect example of a game that offers virtual items for sale. Players can purchase virtual currency known as V-Bucks, which they can use to buy in-game items such as skins, emotes, and weapons. World of Warcraft is another game that offers virtual items for sale. Players can purchase in-game items such as mounts, pets, and gear with real money. These items can be sold to other players through the in-game auction house for gold, which can then be used to purchase other items. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now, get your game on, and turn on your game passion into a lucrative career.